All right, what it do, y'all? Your boy is back on the grind one more time, and I am at work, and I'm about to give you guys this video of the Rick Ross car show, man. Super dope time, phenomenal time, man. It was actually really, really good. It was good to get out and see, for one, the Griffin brothers. I was out there with the Griffin brothers, man. Love those guys, man. Super cool, and it was really good to see those guys because I haven't seen them since Texas Whip Fest, probably. You know, gosh, it had to have been about 3 years ago or more. So, well, before COVID, so maybe even close to 4, who knows. But anyways, it was good to hang out with those guys. So it was a nice surprise to see them and just to meet a lot of people, man, that I have never met, that I have been talking through social media, that I finally got to see. I got to see my boy Steve Davis. I got to meet him for the first time. So that was pretty dope. And man, just a lot of different people, man, and people that I'd never even met or even talked to or even follow. So that was pretty dope as well. So anyways, this is actually footage of that. I don't know how great a footage it is. I actually just let my camera roll as I just walked around. So a lot of it I had to cut out because it was stuck on like the ground. It was up in the sky and whatever. So what I did is I just kind of just let the camera roll, catch some cars, and whatever cars that I kind of liked, I did a little walk around on them, or maybe cars that I just wanted to kind of see more in depth. I did a walk around on it, but other than that, it's pretty much just kind of a walk through car show deal. The only thing that I didn't get and I'm really mad about is we did a lap first, and then our goal was to come back around and hit the cars that we liked and get all of Rick Ross's cars and Lynn's Garage's cars. I'd never seen any of his cars, and he was there. He brought like 25, 30 cars. So I got his cars, but I didn't get Rick Ross's cars. I got like some of them, but he had like a whole lineup of cars, man, and I wanted to just kind of just walk down the line of all his cars and get that on film. But man, we walked around and we met a lot of people, and they wanted to pass out some merch and stuff like that and just meet some people. So we did that, and then we went and got something to eat. That took like 2 hours, you guys, man. It was insane. Like I got my food in like 30 minutes, but for some reason they like shut down, and then it took about another hour and a half, 2 hours for them to get their food, and all it was some nachos. It was crazy, man. So I don't know, it was hot, and we were all just standing there in the sun like, yo, what's up? So anyways, after that, when we walked around, we weren't really in the mood to kind of really walk around and film. We kind of just wanted to just like walk and get out. So the footage is probably not the greatest, but it is something, and you will get to see and experience kind of what I did as well. So if you're new to the channel, definitely think about subscribing, hit that notification bell, all that good stuff, y'all. My name is Mr. Griffin 23. I am restoring the 1971 Chevelle. So if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe and watch this build. Go back to the playlist, the Chevelle project, and watch the whole playlist, you guys. We got a lot of videos on the Chevelle, and we are almost there, you guys, almost there. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned, give it a thumbs up, enjoy, and then we'll see you on the next one. Yes sir, yes sir. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-wee. Over here, Rick Ross's joint. Car show going down. right, y'all, what's good? We got this show, this car show. Rick Ross car show out here. The Griffin brothers out here. Join it! Got all Rick Ross's fleet right here. Oh, this one?
I had to buy a Chevelle. That's the one I want. 69 convertible.
I thought Corey bought this one.
Oh.
Yeah, I think he bought that one, yeah. Yeah, I like the lines on these cars.
Yeah.
The 69s, yeah.
I just like the front end too. There's something about it.
Yeah. You guys gonna ever get into the interior slump stuff? I mean, it's dope. I don't know. On the trailer. Yes, you looking for the man. The man bumping on the trailer. The man right here. The man right here. a little spoiler? Huh? Yeah, it's nice, man.
Oh, yeah.
Makes me miss my T-top.
history today. Yeah. I appreciate everybody coming out here, man. Everybody coming from everybody. All the car enthusiasts. Niggas who love website, Ricky Rose. If you want one of those right now, hold it up there. Where Dallas at? Compton in the building, Cali in the building, West Coast in the building. I want to hear the music. I'm gonna vibe with the crowd some. Hey, come on, man, come on. We gotta goddamn, we gotta do this the right way. We gotta vibe. Let me get a little music. This is Chicago, nigga. This is Chicago, nigga.
Hey, this what Butter did to you shit. Bump and shit.
Hey, son, hey. Clear the stage, please. We need some space. If you ain't with the biggest boss, you need to clear the stage. Get over to the side.
Oh,
Festival, that's what it's called. All the day at the floor.
Sound man, we need to band up everything. They gotta hit drums,
so you can buy
keyboards.
Can you approach them? I'm like, yeah.
DJ, we need to vibe. We need all that other sound man, please.
It's a one-piece store. Expensive as shit though. I think they're like $1,000.
And kick a vibe, do something, kick a vibe, kick a Ross vibe, listen, so they can get the,
they just
the
come like
music
that.
right.
Like, that's nice.
Sound man, please get the band right. Masterless. I'm ready to crown the winners. I'm ready to crown the winners. This Chicago, nigga. Yeah.
Huh?
This?
Yeah.
Because there's no third panel. It just looks like one. It's just the way the shit is. I like this car.
Those are like my wheels.
Oh, yeah.
They're just all they're just all polished.
Yeah. Remember that lake you said we bought?
Yeah.
A lot of people have stock wheels on the back. We do motorcycle seats. So a lot of people do stock wheels on the back. So it's 30 in the front. You don't have a seat back over here. I think it is.
everybody doing tonight? Well, today, I'm the owner of Double Trouble. I'm from South Texas, 20 hours away. I came all this way to try to show some love out here. So.
I just seen this car on YouTube. Oh, yeah. I got an Aero Coupe too. Oh, yeah, 78. Yeah.
We from Kansas City, so
yep. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah, man.
1 minute and make it happen.
Thank you. Oh, snap. What up, man? Long time.
Long way. I ain't never seen you first.
I know.
We seen it. We
Let's see.
Texas Week Fest together a couple of years ago. That was the last time we seen it.
Yeah, man. It's been a minute. Been a minute. What's up? What's up? Huh?
I'm a little too late. I'm gathering.
Oh, it's cool, man. I mean, we sun drained, man.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.